Many people have specific knives for cutting things like vegetables or meat, but how about a cheese knife set? Cheeses come in countless varieties and forms, from hard and tough cheeses like Parmigiano Reggiano to softer cheeses like Brie and Reblochon. Being able to cut and slice different cheeses correctly is important when you want to prepare cheese boards to share with your friends, or enjoy some cheese and bread at the end of a meal. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best cheese knives in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Bosca Copenhagen Mini Knife Set. Our favorite cheese knife set of them all has to be the Bosca Copenhagen Mini Knife Set. Created by one of the best brands in the business and made from premium stainless steel, this set features 4 knives in total. These 4 knives are suitable for soft, semi-soft, hard, and even spreadable cheeses, so there's nothing this set can't handle. Each of the mini knives in this set looks fabulous, with a smooth and comfortable handle and a beautiful design. They feel great to hold and also work really well in action, with the toughest blade able to slice effortlessly through harder rinds and the other knives equally well suited to their tasks. Because of this set's utility, comfort, and overall quality, it's no wonder that we've chosen it as the best on our list. Number 2. Linenol Cheese Knives with Wood Handle. Some cheese knives can be quite tricky or uncomfortable to use, but you won't need to worry about that with this set of cheese knives with wood handles from Linenol. These knives have been ergonomically designed to fit snugly and comfortably in the hand. They're a joy to use, and the wood handles look great from an aesthetic point of view, too, being sure to impress your friends and guests. This set comes with 12 items in total, including a semi-heart knife for spreadable cheeses, a pair of rectangular shape knives for slicing and spreading cheeses, a pronged fork for picking up individual chunks of cheese, and some spoons and forks for serving purposes. Every item has been crafted with care and, overall, the set offers great value for money. Number 3. Lunar Premium Cheese Knife Set. Next up, we have the Lunar Premium 6-piece cheese knife set, one of the most complete knife sets you can buy. This set comes with 6 different items, including 4 cheese knives, ready to deal with any kind of cheese you can imagine, a cheese fork, and a spreader too. All of the items in the set are made from stainless steel, with sleek, modern designs that look great and feel pleasant. Another bonus with this cheese knife set is that it includes a recipe book containing 15 cheese-based recipes to try, making it a great gift to give to that serious cheese lover in your life. Number 4. Bikith Bamboo Cheese Knife Set. If you're looking for a set of travel cheese knives, the Bikith 8-piece is a good option to choose. It features 8 items overall that are all designed to be super small and easily portable, perfect for taking along on picnics, camping trips, and vacations where you plan on eating plenty of tasty cheese. The set includes 2 cheese knives, 2 shavers, 2 forks, and a pair of cheese spreaders, too. All items feature comfortable bamboo handles, lightweight designs, and stainless steel blades for maximum quality and beauty. Number 5. Chesse Cheese Knife Set. The Chesse Cheese Knife Set stands out from the crowd for its design. It includes just 3 knives, but all 3 of them are very beautiful and impressive, both aesthetically and practically. Each one features a black blade and bronze grain polypropylene handle, adorned with the brand logo. These knives are classy looking and are guaranteed to turn some heads at dinner parties and other events. In terms of how well they work, the set comes with a pronged knife for picking up cheese, a hard cheese knife for tougher cheeses, and a chisel knife, too. With these quality knives, you should be able to easily tackle almost any kind of cheese with ease and look good doing it, thanks to the sleek, retro-style designs and non-stick coatings on every blade. That was our list of the top 5 best cheese knives in 2023 just for you.